The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC, has thrown its support behind the incoming Police Commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson. Speaking at the latest RGR Gleaner Group News Forum, JCC officials say they are committed to working with the new crime boss. The wave has impacted several sectors, including business. This has caused business owners to spend big bucks on security. Where crime is high, they've lost business hours and, in extreme cases, customers.
So the reality is that the studies have shown that crime has a tremendous cost. I think it has a cost in your business operations, your security costs, in the movement of your persons. I think it has a cost in investment, that when people are looking to come here and invest, that is taken into consideration. I think it has a cost with our human resources, that people migrate because of the fear factor, coming into play. And I think it's a broad cost. But I will just quote the IDB study, that if we had the rate of crime, murder that is in Costa Rica, we'd have been growing at over 5% a year. And if we were, then a lot of the problems that we're experiencing in Jamaica today would not be with us.
So much is hanging in the balance with the appointment of the new police commissioner. President of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, Larry Watson, agrees that Major General Anthony Anderson is a good choice.
But we look forward to working with the new commissioner, to be a part of his team, to share with him our concerns and our ideas. And we have full confidence in him and think he will bring his own perspective to it. And we can only hope and pray that it will be successful. And most of all, he will get the full support of the constabulary force.
Government has allocated $12.4 billion in the capital budget to fight crime, an increase from the last fiscal year. But still not enough, some argue, to make an impact given the needs of the JCF. The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce president is, however, optimistic.
I think when you look at the resources, the people resources, and the other resources, it is important. I think the technology, will play a significant part, in going forward. I think he has that experience. Within the military, he has some successes within the military of bringing technology into play, and I think that will come in. But his number one priority, is getting to the gang.